Hi there, I'm John from CNCKing.com, and today we make custom acrylic hearts. Now this piece of black acrylic is actually white, and the reason for that is because of masking. Now I'll just take it off here. It's pretty easy to take off. And the reason why we leave it on during production is so that when the customer actually comes around to using this, you have a nice clean surface. Generally we also mask the back, but in this case here the customer wanted it off just because it's more efficient for them just to take it off one surface instead of two. You can see here the smoke from the grid table, and that's why if it's masked, you don't see any of this whatsoever. So when it comes to making custom shapes, we can make them out of literally any material, any size, any shape, from stainless steel to aluminum to acrylic to live edge wood, dimensional wood, plastic, rubber, whatever you have in mind, we can make that for you. Now when it comes to making nesting and having efficient use of material, here's what a sheet of acrylic looks like after all the hearts were cut out of it. You can see there's still quite a bit of white, but I wouldn't have gained anything by adding one more heart here and one more here. So it just doesn't always work out. You could have things super tight, but this is relatively good. And the nice thing about this is that it's easy to take off the machine after production. Now when it comes to making other kind of shapes and that kind of stuff, we do all the nesting here in the shop. And that's important because we try to use as much material as we can so that we end up throwing out as little material as possible. Because at the end of the day, if we're buying more material for a job, that means you're indirectly going to have to pay for it one way or another. And so if we could use the material at the utmost like this here, you could definitely see very little is wasted. Every material has a plus and a minus to it. So I always like asking customers what the application is for the given job that we're doing on their behalf. Now in this case here, the material is perfect for their application. They couldn't have picked a better material. In other applications, say you have something that you want to go in, you want something black and very, very durable, well, we can do that out of anodized aluminum. The same shape, same everything. It will cost more than, of course, acrylic will, but you can also weld it, which you can't do with acrylic. So again, every material is a plus and a minus. Let's say we made these out of stainless steel. It looked really, really good, have a nice gravitas or weight to it. So if you get them, let's say as an award, just say the same hearts. We can also laser etch them as well with the laser behind me. If you went with, let's say, a wood product, well then we could cut that out and we could also engrave that. And again, that has a nice smell to it. Acrylic doesn't smell the best and neither does steel. So there's a lot of little nuances for every material. So if you're looking for custom shapes, any size, any shape, any material, contact me at CNCKing.com. We'll cut it for you and ship it right to your door.